In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sticky notes or post-it style notes using Microsoft OneNote. This is a great way to keep quick reminders, ideas, and important details visible while still staying organized within your notebook. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the page where you want to place your sticky notes. It's best to choose a page with enough empty space so you can easily arrange multiple notes without clutter. Once you're ready, click anywhere on the page to create a new note container. This container acts like a movable box where you can type your content. Start typing your note inside the container. Keep it short and focused, just like a real sticky note. After adding your text, you can resize the container by dragging its edges, making it smaller and more compact to match the look of a traditional post-it. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen and look for text highlighting or shading options. Apply a background color or highlight to your note to give it that sticky note appearance. Choose colors like yellow, blue, or green to mimic real post-it notes and make different notes easy to identify. Once your note has color, you can move it anywhere on the page by clicking and dragging the container. This allows you to group related notes together or spread them out for better visibility. You can also create multiple note containers and assign different colors to each one, helping you categorize tasks, reminders, or ideas. If you want to make your notes even more noticeable, adjust the font size or style to emphasize key points. Keeping your notes visually clear will make them easier to scan quickly. As you continue using sticky notes in OneNote, try to keep a consistent color system. For example, you might use one color for urgent tasks and another for general reminders. This makes your notes more organized and easier to understand at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully created sticky notes in OneNote, giving you a flexible and visual way to manage quick thoughts and important reminders. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.